Step into the 2009 Chevrolet Uplander. This 7-passenger van still has fewer than 60,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chevrolet's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.